Assalamu alaikum everyone. In today's video I will be talking about this end of year examination of grade 3. So let's discuss this paper and how it would be solved. So first question is multiple choice question, and question is what is the smallest Roman number that we can make using I, V and X. So let's see what are these values. So first two are not even a correct value, but the second two are correct. So third value is 14 and last one is basically 16. So the smallest value is 14. Second is what is the number that uses most of the symbols. So 20 is written as XX, 18 is written as V. So these are all the notations, and you can see 18 is having the most symbols used. So because there are four Roman symbols which are used. So next one is 95 minutes is equal to what? So 95 minutes is basically, if we divide it into two parts, 60 plus 35 minutes, it would be 60 minutes will become 1 hour and 35 minutes will remain as 35 minutes. So that would be the correct answer. So you can convert it by multiplication also. So 5 o'clock in the evening. So in the evening, so it is 5 p.m. So is 1 hour after 4 p.m. definitely. So this is just a trick they are having with the words. So next is the sum of rupees 25 and 50 paisa. So we know that 50 paisa cannot be added directly to the rupees. So 25 rupees and 50 paisa would be the answer. Moving on to second question. So use any two-digit cards to make equivalent fractions for 2 by 3. So both are correct answer, 4 by 6 and 8 by 12. So we have used concept of equivalent fractions where the meaning of the fraction remains same. So B part is arrange the fractions from smallest to the greatest to smallest. So there is a small mistake by the one who solved the paper. It's not in the correct order. So the greatest is 8 by 8, then 5 by 8 will come, and then 1 by 8 will come. So moving on to next one. Draw a ring around the objects which could be measured in milliliters. So you can see there are 6 objects and all are basically having liquid. So aquarium and basically bathtub is having a bigger space, so we can say that they are not having the capacity in milliliter. Instead they will be having capacity in liters. So moving on to next question. Next question is fill in the blanks question. So in Roman numbers we cannot write the symbol more than 3 times in a row. So the second one is 1 by 6 is smaller than 1 by 4. When the numerators are same, so this bigger denominator is smaller fraction. 1 kg is 1000 gram. So this is just a conversion. Use symbols. 5 liters are bigger than 5 milliliter. So cuboid is having 6 faces. Moving on to column matching. So they are quite confusing. 3 by 5 equivalent fraction would be 9 by 15. So you need to be very careful. The simplest form of 6 by 15 is 2 by 5. So don't mix them up. Simplest form is different than the equivalent fraction. So 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4 would be 3 by 4. Quite easy. So 7 by 8 minus 4 by 8 would be 3 by 8. Then 2 quarters of a whole. So if you take 2 quarters, it becomes basically half, which is 1 by 2. So that is the correct answer. Moving on to next question. So next question is about how much does each cup hold? Write in milliliters. So 1 liter is equal to 2 cups. So definitely it would be, because they are having equal, so 500 plus 500. Next is Sana had 500 rupees for pocket money. She used 200 for a book. So simple subtraction would be used and the answer would be 300. So next question is interesting question. It is there is a grid, square grid, which is shown, and there are three different rectangles. One is square actually. So question is, which two figures are having the same perimeter? So you need to find out the perimeter of all the figures. So 16 centimeter, you can see B and C both are having 16 centimeter as a perimeter. So find the perimeter of figure A. So you can see 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, so it would be 8 centimeter. Next question is that you need to sort the shapes based on the property. So you can see answers are given. Moving on to next question. It's a timeline question. Amna reached the park at 3:20 p.m. and left for home at 4:40. So 1 hour 20 minutes would be the time interval. Next question is find the difference. Difference is a keyword for subtraction. So you need to find the difference between the two. There is a minor mistake here. The subtraction went wrong. So order matters in subtraction. So you need to be careful about it. Moving on to next question. Question 5 is a bag can hold up to a mass of 1 kg. So masses of 4 objects are shown. You need to see that which 3 objects you can put into the bag. So basically this is an open-ended question where you can answer where multiple answers can be correct. So there is written mug, broom and spoon. That's definitely a correct answer. So it's also analytical where you need to just make the decision based on the knowledge you are having. So Hina, next question is Hina's mass is 28 kg, her brother mass is 38. So how much lighter is Hina than her brother? Simple subtraction. And the next part is total mass, so simple addition question. But these questions are 2 marks questions, so you need to do the operation as well as the correct answer should be there. Next question is a grid question. Position of 5 children is given to you over on the grid. So in first part you need to just write down the position. Ali's position, you can see Ali is having 2, 5, 2, 2. On 2, 2 Sonia is sitting. So then moving on to next part, Fiza has to walk 3 squares down to reach to 3, 1. So you can see it on the grid. So 3 squares down. Fiza will be here. Taha has to walk 4 squares across. No, it's 2 square across